CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So these are the requirements. And then right now we are this logged in user Becky is on all post page. You can see here, you can post a new post. I will say good day, people. Okay, people. Okay. So you can see the post immediately. It appears on top of the page, which is also a requirement. That also you can see that the post here, there is a username of in this there is a username of the poster, of the person who's posting, of the user, and then the content, that is the post itself, and the time the post was made. Okay, so you can also see here the profile page of this user of Becky, but this is the same user, so there is also a lot of things that you are not going to see here, like for instance the follow and unfollow buttons. But you can see that I have Becky has got 1 followers, and he is following 2 people. So let's go to another a different user. We're going to go to Dash, and you can see now here that there is these followers and following, and you can unfollow because currently Becky follows Dash, so you can unfollow him. And then you see now the followers count is updated here, which is now right now 0. Then you can also follow, click the button to follow, which is basically a button that is toggled. If the user is following, then the button will change to unfollow. If the user is unfollowing, the button will change to follow, so that you can follow the user back, as you can see here. Okay, so in this profile page of the user, you can see as I said, the number of users, and you can see all the posts from that user. You can see all the posts. This user has got 3 posts. You can see also how many likes each post has got. Okay, now we are going to go to the following. The page should behave as all posters. You can see all the users here in this, all the posts basically here in this. That's the user, this user follows. So this user follows Dashi and also follows this user at me. So you can see all the posts for Dashi and me. You can see all the content. You can also see the time that the content was posted. You can also see the likes, and you can like or unlike the post right here. Okay, there is also pagination. If you look at all posts, there is pagination, which is the post can only display, the page can only display 10 posts. So the other post, you can click next, then you see other post. If you want to come back and view the post, the previous post, you can click here, then you're going to go back to the previous post, then the next post, then the next post again. If there is 10 pages, it will create another button again that says next post. Always it will keep saying that if there is more pages to go to. And also the create new post is always, no matter which page you are in, there is always this create new post option here. You can also edit posts, your own post. So this user Becky has got this post that he can edit. Okay, now let's look here. If the post belongs to another user, there is no option to edit. And also you can see here that there is no option to like the post, your own post. It means that you can't like your own post. Okay, but you can like someone's post, or you can unlike. Okay, so you can also see the like counts here in this post. When you click on the like, it will update. When you click, now I have already liked, so if I click again, it will unlike. Now you see. So yeah,